Industry Hall of Fame to honor and preserve the contributions of those exceptional individuals who have served the green industry, with support from
K-Rain, one of the largest manufacturers of turf irrigation products. Distributed in the US and in 60 countries worldwide. K-Rain, designed for easy, built for reliable.
Baxter Miller is the president of BLA Landscape Architecture in Corona, California, where he directs client development, design strategies, and staff mentorship. Miller earned his degree in landscape architect from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo in 1978 and went on to establish BMLA in 1987. Along with his firm's active internship and mentoring programs under his direction, Miller's driving interest in helping those early in their professional careers has meaningfully contributed to the future vitality of the profession. Baxter Miller.